today we're back on the bike, as you can see, and we're still in Pai. Today we're going to be going up to a waterfall that you can slide down and swim in. So I'm going to take you along with me for that.
Oh, you got a GoPro?
Yeah, I'm doing like little vlogs just for my family. So yeah, we're here at the waterfall. It's 100 baht to get in. So far we're walking through this long tunnel, but we can see through this. You guys can't, but the people are sliding down the waterfall and swimming in it. So yeah, we're gonna get stuck in.
Which one is the slope?
That looks like it really hurts your bum. We're now here at the Yun Lai Viewpoint. Just walking up to it now. We biked here from the waterfall you just saw, and it was very steep, so be careful. But I'm not looking forward to going down, but even the walkway up, it looks great. So very excited to see what this looks like. Now we're at the top, and check this out. Right, that's it. I'm probably going to end the video there, but I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry if it's not been as entertaining or structured as the other ones, but yeah, see you in the next one.